Hot ramen, numbing mapo tofu, super spicy curry. A lot of people love spicy food, don't they? But what exactly is that stimulating sensation? That tingling sensation spreading across your tongue. That feeling of sweat pouring down. The taste of spiciness captivates us. But actually, this spiciness isn't a taste at all. Wait, what? If it's not a taste, then what is it? If you're wondering that, you're on the right track. Today, we're going to dive deep into the surprising truth about what spiciness really is. First, let's quickly review the basic human taste senses. We can primarily perceive 5 tastes. These are sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. They are detected by tiny organs on our tongue called taste buds. Each taste sense, like sweetness for sugars and saltiness for salts, is designed to react to specific chemical substances. However, spiciness is not included among these 5 tastes. No taste research anywhere in the world classifies spiciness as an independent taste. So what exactly is spiciness? It's not a taste, but a type of pain sensation, meaning it's recognized by the brain as pain. Imagine this. When you touch something hot, you feel hot, right? That's because the nerves in your skin are transmitting it to your brain as pain. Spiciness works on the same principle. Nerves in your tongue and the mucous membranes inside your mouth are stimulated by specific chemical substances and transmit that to your brain as pain. While taste senses perceive the presence of specific chemicals, pain senses have the role of warning about damage or irritation to tissues. That's why if you eat too much spicy food, your mouth might tingle or your stomach might hurt. That's a sign your body is warning you, it hurts. So, spiciness isn't about taste buds. It's about nerve cells that sense pain or heat responding, which are distributed in your mouth, nose, and even your skin. While taste senses communicate delicious, pain senses communicate danger. Their roles are fundamentally different. The fact that spiciness is pain is a shocking truth, isn't it? So what exactly causes spiciness, and how is it transmitted as pain? From here, let's dive deeper into that mechanism. When it comes to spiciness, chili peppers are the prime example. The true nature of the spicy compound in chili peppers is capsaicin. Capsaicin exerts its effects by binding to something in our bodies called TRPV1 receptors. In simple terms, TRPV1 receptors are like sensors that react to heat and acidic stimuli. They activate when body temperature gets too high or when acid touches them. Interestingly, capsaicin has the property of tricking these TRPV1 receptors into activating, as if heat had been applied. In other words, when capsaicin enters your mouth, the TRPV1 receptors mistakenly sense heat and transmit that information to your brain as pain. So, when you eat super spicy food and feel like my mouth is on fire, it's not entirely wrong. That's because the same signals as actually feeling heat are being sent. TRPV1 receptors are not only found in your mouth, but also in various other parts of your body, such as the mucous membranes of your eyes and nose, and your skin. That's why if you accidentally rub your eyes with a hand that touched chili peppers, you feel intense pain and heat, because capsaicin stimulates the TRPV1 receptors in your eyes. Thus, spiciness isn't about specific substances directly damaging cells. It's a type of pain caused by stimulating the heat and pain sensors of nerve cells. There's a unit called the Scoville scale that represents the level of spiciness, and it's based on the amount of capsaicin contained in chili peppers. The higher the number, the more capsaicin there is, leading to stronger stimulation of TRPV1 receptors and a more intense pain, in other words, spiciness. Super hot chili peppers like habaneros and Carolina Reapers, with Scoville values in the hundreds of thousands or even millions, can truly be called pure pain. But why do we willingly eat something that's supposed to be pain? There's an interesting function of the human brain involved. Normally, pain is a sensation we want to avoid, right? But when some people eat spicy food, they somehow feel, I want more. What's behind this contradiction? In the next section, we'll get to the secret of this allure of spiciness. let's unravel the deeper psychology of why humans intentionally seek out pain. When you eat something spicy, your brain perceives, oh, my body is taking damage. And to cope with it, it secretes a substance called endorphins. Endorphins are also known as natural painkillers and have the effect of bringing pain relief and a sense of euphoria. They're, so to speak, a reward your body releases to heal itself. When these endorphins are secreted, the pain from spiciness subsides, and in its place, a pleasant sensation of exhilaration or accomplishment arises. This is one reason why we can't stop eating spicy food, even though it hurts. When you eat spicy food, you sweat, right? This is because when TRPV1 receptors are activated, body temperature rises, and the body promotes sweating to try and cool itself down. Furthermore, capsaicin is also expected to have effects such as promoting blood circulation and boosting metabolism. This is also one of the reasons why spicy food is said to be good for dieting. There are various spicy dishes around the world. From Thai tom yum goong and Mexican tacos to Indian curry and Korean kimchi, they are deeply rooted in local food cultures. Spiciness also has the effect of increasing appetite, so in hot regions, spicy dishes tend to be favored as a countermeasure against summer fatigue, which can cause a loss of appetite. Furthermore, spicy components are known to have bactericidal and preservative effects. In times when refrigeration technology was undeveloped, they were highly valued for making food last longer. Interestingly, humans can get used to spiciness. By repeatedly eating spicy food, the sensitivity of TRPV1 receptors decreases, leading us to seek out even stronger spiciness. This is one of the mechanisms by which so-called spicy food lovers are born. There might be a charm to it, almost like challenging the body's limits. However, since spiciness is pain, excessive intake can potentially put a strain on your body. People with sensitive stomachs or intestines need to be careful. It can also irritate the stomach lining or cause diarrhea. It's important to enjoy spiciness in moderation, according to your own body's condition. On the other hand, the properties of capsaicin are also gaining attention in the medical field. Its property of stimulating TRPV1 receptors is being used in pain relievers and medicated patches. For example, medicated patches containing capsaicin can help relieve joint and muscle pain by temporarily numbing the pain nerves. There's also a theory that chili peppers are spicy as a defense strategy by the plant to prevent animals other than birds from eating them. Birds don't have TRPV1 receptors, so they don't feel spiciness. It's a clever strategy, letting birds eat them to carry the seeds far away, while deterring other animals. The wisdom of plants in nature and their complex interaction with the human body. Even with just spiciness, such a profound world unfolds. Today, we talked about the shocking truth that spiciness is not a taste but a pain sensation, and its mechanism, the function of capsaicin and TRPV1 receptors, and the role of endorphins. The spiciness that captivates us was, in fact, a mysterious sensation that is both a warning from the body and at the same time brings joy. Now that you know this trivia, your spicy food experience has surely become even more profound than before. If this information was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.